Hello everyone, today I'm going to build this one, 775 Firefighter Bow. This set is released in 1978, so it's already 43-year-old set. 43-year-old. Oh my god, that's so old for this set. Okay, this is the back side of the box look like. This is the alternative view. Look like the oil tank. The alternative. But I definitely like the shape of the firefighter bow more. Okay, let's see what inside this box. Okay, here is what the part inside the box. So you see the design, they have come with one tray. And the outer box is like that. Then slide it in. And also they have one character come with the set. Let's see what inside the character. All of them is over 40 years old. Of those sets. You see at this time, the minifigure doesn't have arm and face pin. But on the police boat, they already start to using the latest design of minifigure. But for this set, this doesn't come with the minifigure. Okay, let's get started to build. Okay, here in the instruction, and they come with one page of correction for the originally instruction. You see here, it's missing the outline of the brick and also missing on the main picture. And here is the correction look like. You see the piece should be there. And only one thing is they should pin it with the color also, because the turning plate in this set they come with two types. One is the both of them is the gray. Another one is the black and gray. So it's hard to tell the first page which one should be go to, right? So I think they should use the color on this page also. But anyway, I see online this should be this gray piece. Okay, let's get started to build. Finish. Okay, here is the complete set look like. Let me show you the bow. This bow can be folding on the water, and all the whole structure is pretty simple and combined with all those basic brick. And the water cannon is not pretty nice in this scale. And this set doesn't come with any minifigure. So for the other police ship, they come with one minifigure with it. But some reason the Firebolt doesn't have. and this set is already 40-year old, but all the sticker is still attached on the bowl, and all the white part is still doesn't have any yellow. In pretty good condition. So same as the police bowl, they also come with two of the center board with the heavy metal at the bottom. So this one can help the ship to balance in the water. And let me install that to the bowl to show you how this one works. So you see the instruction right here. It's telling you where supposed to be installed, both of them. So one is the back, another one is here, and still away from that. Okay, so like that. So today's video that's it. If you like my video, welcome to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.